Matt and myself, we would like to welcome everyone to Omnipresent Retreat 2021.
The retreat has been amazing. It's fantastic that we've been brought to the wonderful, beautiful island of Madeira, and we got to work from here and have sun, sand, beach. So just being all together in one place, the energy has just been fantastic.
It's been spectacular. The amount of talented, interesting people that we've brought together is really amazing, and the atmosphere this week has been great. There's been work intertwined with people having fun, and I think everybody's leaving super excited to continue to work together and tackle some ambitious things over the next few years.